Welcome to King Someday presentation on how to avoid 5% VAT charge and how to do P2P transfer. But before we continue on this topic, I want you to like this video, click on subscription button to be among of those that will get a notification anytime a new video is released. I am King Someday by name, so you can follow me up on Facebook, King Someday, www.facebook.com/King Someday. Search me, you will see me. You can follow me up on Instagram at King Someday. You can follow me up on Telegram. You can message me, search King Someday. King Someday is spelled KINGSAMDAY. That is King Someday. So follow me up and you will see a lot of things that we'll be doing on this business channel. So today we'll be looking at how you can do your P2P transfer and how you can avoid the 5% VAT charge. So if you want to avoid the 5% VAT charge, so follow this instruction. But by the end of this video, you will see how you can avoid the 5% VAT charge in this business. So you get your money in full and incomplete with no reduction. So then I have do some videos on how you can place your trade, but I will also do video on how you can do your auto trading. I will redo video on new retail system and how you can purchase on new retail and wholesale products also. So quickly we will treat this business as quick as possible, so you cannot waste much time. The first thing you have to do here, log into your Velos account, click on this login. You see here is sign up. So I have to put in my name. This is King Someday if you want to follow me. So this is King Someday if you want to follow me. So search on this, you are going to see me and you follow me up. So this is what we have. We have signed in here. So remember what we are discussing is how you can do P2P transfer and how you can avoid the 5% VAT charge. So as we have logged into our Velos account, if you must avoid the 5% VAT charge, you must do the following. Okay, if you must avoid the 5% VAT charge, you must do the following. Number one, you can register new member. The person will pay you directly. So anytime you do new registration, like to become a VIP, anytime you do new registration, the company, the person will pay you direct. Once the person, you register someone here now, the person will pay you direct and you receive the money incomplete. You use your point, you use your cheap point to do your registration to the person, and remember, your money is complete. No one have tampered with it. Do you see the secret now? This is number one secret you must note. You can just you can just get anyone that you want to register and register the person, get your point complete. No one is going to tamper with your point. Once you do new registration with your point, that is gone. You see, you have conquered that 5% voucher. You see it. So that is why I said, if you follow this video, I will teach you the basics, the basic ways in which you can use to conquer any form of 5% VAT charge. So the next step what you have to do is, the second one if you register the person direct, you use the point. The second method is if people around you want to register, they can call you once you have the point. You send them the point, then you get your money full again. Do you see it now? So this is another strategy. If people around you are doing registration, so they can contact you. Once they contact you, you send them the point, and what is the next thing? You get your money full. There is no charges with this. That is why I'm going to teach you how you can do your P2P transfer. So once you do the P2P transfer, check now, that is gone. There is no other charge that will be charged you again. So the third but not the least is your team leader may or may not charge you when you send points to them. So sometimes your team leader may not charge you. Sometimes the team leader will charge you the same 5% for charge. But if you have luck that you have the team leader that is not charging, because I know that there is some team leader that are not charging for withdrawing through P2P transfer. So because they want to build their team to be strong, to be moving higher, so they will not be charging their member for the moment. If you have someone like that, that is good for you. That is, it will open more doors for more people to work with you. So that is the ways in which you can conquer, in which you can slash the 5% VAT charge that are being charged through withdrawal in Chimo Point. Okay, so now as we have gotten the information, let's now know how we can do the P2P transfer. As we have gotten this idea now, let's now see how we can do this P2P transfer. But in this account, I don't think I have money here, so I have to log into one other account which I will use to do this P2P transfer, to teach you how you can do what, how you can do it, and you make. Let me just teach you how you can do it. Do it very, very, very quick by doing your P2P transfer. So successful. You will see how I'm going to do it now. So once you have logged into your various accounts, go to my account. Your account usually be at the extreme here. So here is where this retro human being that they are being drawn small. Click on it. It will open your account for you. So once it opens your account for you, you go by your left hand side. Your left hand side, you will see P2P transfer. This is P2P transfer. Click on P2P transfer. So once you click on P2P transfer, it will take you up to another page. So you see consumption point. This consumption point is used for registration. I will do if you want me to do more video on how you can convert this consumption point, you let me know by commenting in the comment section. So anything you want me to teach more about this business, comment it on the comment section. I will do that for you. So this is CheapPoint. Currently in this account, this is what we have. So this is payee. The first thing you have to do, payee ID. So the person you want to send this money to, who is that person you want to send it to? I want to send it to King Sunday. So what you just need, type in the person's username. This is King Sunday. King Sunday. I don't want King Sunday. I want King Sunday. So this, I want to send it to this King Sunday. Yes, I have typed it. So now it will ask you select the exchange type. What do you want to do? Is it CheapPoint or consumption point? What we are currently doing is CheapPoint. We are not doing consumption point. Consumption point is when the person want to register. If you convert it for the person's registration to take effect. So if you like me to do video on it, just comment it on the comment section. I will do video on that, and you see how that one works. So now is quantity. Here, see what we have. We have here to be 27.56 cents. $27.56 is what we have here. So in quantity, you put the how many points you want to transfer to this person. So I need 25 points. So 25 points is what I need. What the next thing is you put in the person's password, the payment password for this account. So you put in the payment password, you put submit. So okay, it's saying the person I'm sending it does not exist. So I have to check, make sure the person ID you are putting is correct. So make sure the person is correct, then you can now click on submit. Do you see successful? So because the person I'm sending it to, the first capital is capital letter, and when I put small letter, so that is why it is not going. So you see, I have done the transfer now. You see, this is 3 point. This is the date. Can you see the date now as it has moved? All this minus is the one that is gone out of your account. Remember, you can trace anything that happens in your account. Anything that happens in your account, you can trace it. So everything that happens in Chimo is well secured. So no one can tamper your point without your knowledge. So anything that happens in your account, you can come back here after doing this transfer, or you just come into this P2P transfer. Let's just go back, click on P2P transfer. It's loading, so it's open. So now you see we have 27 points. You see how much we have here now? 2.56 cents. This is what we have now. So if you want to know what happens in this your account, you want to see what happens in this account, what you just need to go to P2P transfer record, click on it. It will bring out every transaction that has gone to this your account. Do you see King Sunday 25 point, minus 25, minus 60, minus 110, minus 45 to Indison? So this is the point that have gone to different people. Anyone with minus is the one that's gone out of your account. You send it out. Anyone with that minus is the one that someone sent to this account. Anyone with that minus is the one that someone sent to this account, but anyone with minus is the one that someone sent out of your account. So you can see the date, the different date of these transactions. So this is how you can get, if anyone have tampered your account, you will see the person username that they sent the money to. You see, this is person's username. With this username you can trace this person. So the service center can help you trace this person with this username. There is nothing hidden. Everything is transparent. So you can know if someone have tampered your account by taking some of your points, where the person sent it to, the date the person sent the money to. So you see it, everything is clear. So this is how you can do your P2P transfer without any hardship on this. So remember to click on subscription button, click on like, then click on the thumb, then you can click on notification to be among the first to get notification anytime any new video is being released. So I will do more video on auto trading and new retail. So if you want me to do more video concerning this Chimo, concerning your back office, so I know some people are having problems on back office. So if you want me to do more video on back office, how you can know how your trading is being done, so you can comment it on the comment section. I will get in touch with you and we'll do something about that. So I remain King Samde. You can get in touch with me on this my phone number 08068935127 08068935127. I'm King Samde. Follow me up in Twitter, King Samde. Follow me up on WhatsApp with this number I just called. Follow me up on Facebook at www.facebook.com/ this is / here. If you click, let me just type www facebook.com. This is / you see / King Samday. You see King Samday, you search. So once you click it and search, it will take you to my Facebook portal. Just a moment. You see, yeah, we are live. What we are doing here is live. So this is King Samday. If you can follow me up so we can do more business, stay with us, get in touch with us. This is what we do: bulk SMS distribution, online marketing, digital skill tutor, blogging, snare farming. So you can WhatsApp this number. So this is King Samday. So thank you very much. This is what I do. Thank you very much for being part of this presentation on how you can avoid 5% voucher and do your withdrawal to your back office, and how you can do your P2P transactions. So thank you very much for watching this video. So I have a very wonderful day ahead. Bless you. Thank you. Keep in touch with me so we can do more, we can get more.